I don't do anything right. This is never again land. Welcome on in. It's the complaint train. Gotcha. Anyone else that wants to complain? You're more of a Venture Bros kind of person. I somehow missed Venture Bros. I don't think I had the channel. I watched a bit of it afterwards. Yes, but I don't think I would actually do it. My complaint is that my feet are sore. Did you walk a lot? And also thank you for the follow. Can I complain about that? Ugh. We're trying to get to 0, not 3,000, guys. I'm trying to do horrible things here, so y'all leave me alone. Hi, and welcome to the cult. Adventure Bros is worth your time. I think I actually watched all of it, but this was quite a number of years ago that I just did not retain much. You actually have a few more complaints. Oh, you're more than welcome to, but I want to let you all have a turn first. Okay, it's complaint train. I am complaining. Oh, I can still complain about the dumbass thing that I did, but there's an update. Okay, a little update for you guys. I did the dumb thing of disconnecting my website, my shop that was on Squarespace. Disconnected it. Haven't been using it for months because I canceled everything. And it's no longer in use. And lately, in my statement, it charged me an annual sum because apparently I didn't unclick a certain check mark. And I'm trying to refute it, but it turns out if you want to refute anything from the bank, you have to wait 15 days. So I gotta wait, and I'm upset. Annual, yeah, an annual auto-renew that's not refundable, which is BS. My complaint is that Squarespace didn't charge you enough. It charged me plenty, believe me. Magikarp is my second favorite Pokemon. What's your first? Let's do Magikarp. Wait, not refundable? Yeah, not refundable. It's absolute bullshit. And I noticed less than a week later, because it happened while I was on vacation, so I just wasn't up on date on what was happening on my charges. Yeah. I'm gonna contact them. I'm gonna be like, hey, I never got that email, because I never got that email, everyone. I never did. Hello, Colo. How's it going? Also, cheers for Magikarp. Wait, oh, I'm sorry, for what? For hydrating me? Damn good